Hello, you are welcome to Some Health. In today's video, we are talking about tonsils, their role in the body, common problems they can cause, and how to keep them healthy. So please stay tuned. What are the tonsils? So these tonsils are small masses of lymphoid tissues located at the back of your throat. Okay, yes, in your throat. That is where these tonsils are located. They are part of the immune system and help to protect against infections. There are three types of tonsils. We have the lingual tonsils situated at the base of the tongue, and then we have the pharyngeal tonsils, okay? And these tonsils are located at the back of your nasal cavities. And then we have the palatine, okay? Very good. The palatine tonsils found on both sides of the throat, and that is what we are going to talk about today, the palatine tonsils. Let's have a look at functions of these tonsils I'm talking about. The first one is first line of defense. So these tonsils trap bacteria and viruses entering through the mouth and the nose. And now the second aspect is boost immunity. Yeah, so they produce white blood cells and antibodies to fight infections. And the third one is that they help in early childhood immunity. So they are more active in children but shrink with age. Common tonsils problems. Yes, so could you believe that these tonsils can cause problems? Yes, so the first one is tonsillitis. Okay, inflamed of the tonsils, when your tonsils are infected or inflamed, and this is caused by virus or viral or bacterial infection. Very good. And what are the symptoms? Sore throat, fever, difficulty swallowing, and swollen tonsils. So you realize that your tonsils have got swelling. Very good, indicating there is a tonsillitis. Now the second problem we can talk about is tonsil stones or tonsillitis. Yes, and that is what I will be talking about in my next video. But these tonsil stones are formed from the food we eat, okay? Food particle, bacteria in our mouth, and then dead cells, okay? So all these things get trapped in the crypt of the tonsils. Now, what are some of the symptoms that could indicate or alert you that there is tonsil stones in the crevices of your tonsils? Now, there will be bad breath, yes, and throat discomfort, white and yellowish lump, okay? So you realize or see something like yellowish, something like white or yellowish lump that is being trapped in the crypt of the tonsils, especially when you open your mouth. Now, how do we treat these tonsil stones? Gargling with warm salt water, removal with cotton swabs, or tonsillectomy if persistent. Now, it is very important to keep your tonsils clean and healthy. Yeah, so how do you keep them healthy? Now, the first one is to practice good oral hygiene. You must brush your teeth and floss daily. Okay, the second one is to stay hydrated. Staying hydrated helps prevent tonsil stones and infections. Okay, very good, because the more you drink a lot of water, the more this water increases saliva production, and this saliva production may also help swipe away bacteria in our mouth and all this kind of food left particles in our mouth. Now the second thing you can also do is to gargle with warm salt water to reduce bacteria and then soothe inflammation. The fourth one is to avoid smoking if you do. Yes, smoking is not good at all, and other pollutants, okay? Very good. And you have to eat a balanced diet. Yes, so eat foods that support the immune system. I think that will be the best way to keep your tonsils clean and neat and healthy. Please don't forget what I said earlier. Tonsils play a vital role in immunity, but they can develop issues like infections and tonsil stones, as I just said. So if you experience a persistent problems, then kindly consult a doctor. Now that you understand tonsil stones and their functions, in our next video, we will dive into tonsil stones, what causes them, how they are formed, and why they are the major cause of severe bad breath. I'm talking about halitosis. So please make sure to subscribe to Some Health and turn on notification so that you don't miss it. Thank you very much for subscribing. See you next time.